Hi, Tim Qualls here at Charles Tire Flooring. And the reason I'm here, I went to the big box stores and I'm talking to a guy about what to do on my floors and really didn't get the answers I needed. So if I'm going to make an investment in my house, Charlie, I want it to be, because it's an investment. I'm upgrading my house. I'm putting in new flooring, putting tile, wood, whatever the case is. Making that decision on what to do, that's tough to do. But that's where you guys come in as experts. I mean, for basements, bathrooms, whatever, you've been doing it long enough, you know how to guide people.
Yes, I think we can.
Yeah. Now, when I say been doing it long enough, qualifications, I want people to understand when it comes to flooring, when the big boys need work, who do they call? They call Charles Tire Flooring. Some of the place you did, the Odessa Firehouse. Yep. So the Village Gym.
They're definitely on the list. We've done Willis Ford, Willis Chevrolet. The Willis Ford is a completely new building from front to back. We've done everything inside of there. Willis Chevy, we did the showroom, both the bathrooms, and done a lot of work in both of them.
Yeah, so with commercial work, I mean, you guys do that, but I want people to know, because that's where they see the Charles Tire Flooring a lot of times is the trucks out in front of the commercial places, but you guys do residential, and that's the nice thing about it is I come to you and get that education I need as far as residential getting things done in my house. I mean, to give you some ideas, because it's one thing, we're here in the shop right now, and I walk in here and I look and I say to myself, it's just like any place else. I go, I'm lost, Charlie. I mean, what do I do with it? You know, what do I put in? You know, how do I go about what's the process of making that decision on what I want to do in my house?
Well, we recommend that you come in. We have a great design staff, knowledgeable people behind the desk that are here, and that's what we want to do. We want to help you. We want you to come in, tell us what you're looking for, the rooms you're going for, your lifestyle. Everybody has different needs. You know, some people are just by themselves, some have 2 and 3 kids. So we're just looking for your lifestyle and what you're expecting from a floor and the rooms that you're trying to get done. And then we'll help you guide you from what your expectations are, what your budget allows, and what you're looking to get done.
Because that's important to a lot of people. The budget's going to weigh in.
Absolutely.
I mean, and things like that. But you got it from price ranges from here to here. I mean, just depending on what you want in your home. To me, like I said, it's an investment. Anytime I do something like that in the home, it's raising the value of that home. I mean, if I'm taking carpet out and I'm going to put wood floors, you know it as well as I do, it's raising the investment in the house.
Absolutely.
I love, because one of the things that we do, and let's go back to, well, in fact, I think you have some of it right here. I'm going to grab this. I love what you have on the floor right here. What are we standing on, sir?
This particular product is an LVT vinyl, which stands for luxury vinyl tile. Which is made, it's 100% waterproof. It has some vinyl, has a great embossing, which has the 3D texture to it. It has a real look of hardwood floor. When you stand back, it's taking the place of a lot of laminates. Laminates were popular for years. They're kind of going away because of the water resistant issues. Very scratch resistant, very dent resistant, and like I said, 100% waterproof.
Yeah, but I walked in, because when I first walked into your showroom here, I saw this on the floor and I thought to myself, what nice wood, you know, because it looks like it's wood, but it's this product. What is it again?
LVT.
LVT, and you know, let's talk about installation with this. I mean, how difficult? What do people have to do to prep for this?
Well, there's 2 different kinds. They actually have a floating floor, which is click together. It's a little easier. And they also have a direct glue down. It depends on your circumstances, what we're going over top of. Sometimes we do need to have a Lawan, which is a 1/4-inch plywood, installed first, and then we can do a direct glue down over top. If your subfloor is in the right condition, you can do a click product, and we can go over top of it, which will float and help. Like this building here, it's a little bit older. There's some imperfections in the floor. It helps guide across some of the imperfections in the floor.
Because there's no imperfections with this on here. I mean,
they don't show through very much at all.
Yeah, and when you come to it, because I want to talk about it, because you know, installation is very, you know, and when you're talking about Charlie Tire Flooring, folks, do yourself a favor. You watch these home fix-up shows and you say, well, I can do that. Well, you can't do that. You know, some can, some can't.
True.
Yeah, and but when they watch these shows, they see these people. Well, they don't see the 20 people behind them that's going to do the install.
Absolutely.
You know, and that's what happens, because it's television. It's the magic of television. Get the professional, because once you do something, I mean, you've run into it many a times, Charlie. In fact, we were out on a job here not long ago. where somebody had tile put in their bathroom.
Correct.
Okay, and you guys, let's talk about that kitchen floor first of all that you did there. I mean, fantastic.
Really nice. It's a floating engineered floor, 3 1/4 inch wide oak, 1/2 inch thick. It's over top of concrete. It has a nice underlayment underneath of it. Floats across there. Has a nice look. Great finish to it. It's what we call a semi-gloss finish on top, and a small micro bevel. Really sharp looking floor. It really set the whole kitchen off. And we were very fortunate to get that job. And we priced that and the bathroom at the same time. They had an estimate on the bathroom that was a few $100s less than us. So we were glad. We were happy to take the hardwood. We did that for them. They weren't so fortunate with the bathroom.
Right, because I went out on a job with the guys when they were out there, and I got to see it myself. The people, I don't want to talk about other installers.
No, absolutely not.
Like you said,
to be named, to be named.
Yeah, but there's certain, you've got to be careful when you're talking about installers because you got different people that do different types of work. This particular bathroom, when I looked at him tear it up, and I've tore up tile. And tile takes a long time. You have to come in. I don't even know what the gun's called that you chip that up with and everything else. This one, the guy took a hammer and beat it, and it came right out. That just tells me within no time, well, probably within months, they're going to have tiles busting loose, because it wasn't supported right.
From the moment they stepped on there, they had issues. And like you said, it comes down, especially tile. It's not very forgiving. You need a strong base when you get started on tile. And from the moment they laid that first piece, they had issues, and you saw some of the finish work also. And I think you have that on the film. They weren't matching up. The lines were off. Around the door jamb was horrible. So there was a lot of issues going on, and we were happy to come back and help them out with and take care of it.
Yeah, and that was a situation I want to tell people because a lot of work comes from sometimes you have problems, a flood. Okay, in that particular situation, that's what it was. Insurance going to take care of it. So I want people to know when it comes to getting work done on your house, it's just like your automobile. If you know of a particular, like Charlie Tire, I know if I need some insurance work done and they're paying for it, I'm not going to let that insurance company just send me anybody. I'm going to be the one that selects my guy that comes into my house and does my work. And I want people to understand that. In that situation there, you guys put bids in. You got the bid for the kitchen, like you said, not necessarily the bathroom, but now you're going to have to come back and you're tearing out that bathroom, and what a nice finish work you guys got going on that.
Thank you. It turned out nice. We were very happy how it turned out. It is tough. When you're dealing with a flood like that, you're working with a budget, but this particular case, now they have to go into their own pocket to take care of what was not done correctly the first time.
Right, and that's, so you got to be careful when you're doing that. Let's walk over here because I want to talk about tile a little bit, because I walk over here, Charlie, and I look down through here, how do I select? Is it based on, I guess it's based somewhat on price, and then what room I'm going to go into with it? Or
well, before we go to price, I usually like to ask a customer, what are they looking for? What rooms are they going for? What's their lifestyle like? Like I said, some people,
kids, yeah.
You got 5 rough boys that are coming in to tear something up. What are you trying to get, and what are we trying to achieve? What was your past problems so we can make the future right? So we asked what was the problem, what you had, and how can we get you right? And then we start with the different products. We have the ceramic on this side. Sometimes that's what people are looking for, and other times it's the LVT, it's the wood. So we like to clarify where they're trying to get to, and then we work backwards to the number and try to get them where they need to be.
Now, when you're talking about the ceramic, I've got to say, because in your kitchen here in your showroom, I walked in there and I'm walking on the nicest wood floor I think I've ever walked on, and then I found out it's not wood, it's not laminate, it's not.
We're trying to disguise that wood everywhere.
It's tile, and what you made, because a lot of times in kitchens, I mean, what a great product for a kitchen, because you got the wood look, easy to clean, water resistant, so you've got everything you want. You can go, so there's so many different selections, and like you said, depending on that situation, what you're looking for, as far as each room. Me, I got hardwood floors in the kitchen. I'm thinking now, man, I wish I'd known about this product, because I would put that product. How easy is that to maintain?
It's easily. It's so much easier than a hardwood floor. With a hardwood, which I love, a hardwood has always been our life. It's a huge part of our business, but there are problems. You have to worry about the moisture. drop a couple pieces of silverware, you do get a little ding and a dent everywhere. With the tile, you don't have those problems.
No.
And the look of them they have now is so much more enhanced than they used to be.
Yeah, and that's once again, educating yourself, folks. And there's not a better way to do it than come right here to Middletown. Brand new showroom. You guys been here, I guess, this year you opened this up.
This showroom we opened up in May. We were over on DuPont Highway for just about 10 years. Yeah, in the same location.
And you got this great showroom in Middletown, Delaware. What's this street here, Charlie?
This is Green Street, located right across from Middletown Fire Company.
Yeah, and great location. And when you come in here, once again, I don't know how to put this in a nice way. You go to the big box stores, and I go talk to a guy that's educating me about what I should do, and I'll find out that he's never done it, or
you come back next week, he's in the lawn care.
Yeah. So, but when you come in here, you're dealing with people. Your design team is about flooring, about sealants, about backsplashes. I mean, they understand tile, wood, ceramics. I mean, so you're dealing with experts that can guide you. And the nice thing about it is you're also dealing with the person that can install it. I mean, if they need you, they pick up the phone and you're there for them.
Yeah, that's what we do. Over the years, we've definitely had some problems, but I always assure my customers we're not going anywhere.
Right.
We've got a phone call wasn't that long ago. We have a little problem with a maple floor. She said, Charlie, I'm concerned. I said, it's going to be taken care of. Yeah. That's what we do. When you come here, we'll work with you until, if there is an issue, we're here, we're not going anywhere.
The warranty that I want the Charles Tire warranty. That's the warranty. And you stand by what you do.
Yes, we do.
And been doing it for how long have you been in business now, Charlie?
I've been involved in flooring 23 years now, 24 years.
You got an expert. Well, I want to come down this way if I could. Different tiles. We talked about the tiles, but wait a minute, Charlie. This got me here. This is not. I'm like we talked about.
I thought we were going to say this isn't a real hardwood floor again.
Yeah, but this is. I talked about the wood look. I didn't realize you get the tile look too.
This is traditionally people just come in and refer to this as a vinyl floor, but it's actually been, a lot of the vinyl's been taken out. It's more of a fiberglass backing floor, a little bit more flexible, and they have really done a great job with the HD technology and the texture and the appeal that it has. It has a 3D texture to it. It really gives that look to being real tile, or in this case, wood.
You got me. I mean,
but it comes in a roll good. This particular product comes 13 foot 2 inches wide, which is a little out of the ordinary for the industry. Most is 12 foot. But unfortunately, most kitchens are right around 12-10. So you always have that little seam piece in there. So, and most of the homes in Middletown, they're all just a little over 12. So this particular product comes 13, which eliminates the seam. And one of the reasons we went with this is just the size of it, the look of it, and just the overall feel of the product itself.
Yeah, and there again, you hit on something that I wouldn't know going in someplace, and I'd say, okay, now I'm stuck with, I got to get this, and I got to have a seam. With you, you're going to pinpoint, this and say, hey, folks, if we put this particular down, you're going to have a seam. If we put this product, but that's that education once again.
And also a lot of time when you eliminate the seam, you have to get that somewhere. So if you're buying an additional piece to make that seam, it just escalates the cost, where something like this, where it's 13.2 and you only need that 6 inches, it's the ideal situation.
Yeah, and we're going down here, because I want to get down here to what you said was one of the heart of your product line. And when I get down here and into the hardwood floors, I look, now Charlie, I'm, how do I judge what to go? But once again, like you said earlier, depending on your situation, because there's different hardwoods out there,
Absolutely.
They can do. What are we looking at right here? This is
the newest generation of LVT or LVP. The T is for tile, the P is for plank. We refer to it all as an LVT. It's the new generation. Some of the looks in here,
So it's really not wood then?
No, it's not wood. It's more of a vinyl product, similar to what we have on the floor. You can just see the texture and the detail of it. Once again, it's water resistant. If you do have a flood for some reason, it comes unclicked, you can put it back together. And just the look of it, it's amazing how far they've come with it. Scratch resistant. heel mark resistant. You know, if you try hard enough, you can tear up anything, but it's a tough, durable floor.
So this would I'm getting ready to turn my basement into a game room kind of thing. Would this be something that would hold up for kids?
Ideal. It's ideal for that situation. The treatment on there, it's stain resistant, so if you do have spills from wine or any other product, cannot penetrate it.
Kool-Aid, Charlie.
Kool-Aid. Good man, good man. You could take a piece of this and have it in water. You can leave it there for a week, 2 weeks. There's no expansion, no contraction. It's 100% water resistant.
And then you're talking about now, if I have, there again, a sump pump goes out in the basement, all of a sudden I have some water problems, you say this can unsnap? And,
yep.
And
take it back up and you stack it up, clean up your water ratio, put it back down, you're good to go.
And this will dry out, so perfect for basements. You've sold me, because I've been wondering what to do with the basement. I've been was looking at Berber carpet. I thought, well, but still, if it gets wet, I've got to pull it up.
You're doing it again.
Yeah. But this looks real easy. I love
this particular product. You had asked about warranties. Actually has a 30-year residential and a 10-year commercial.
Oh wow! Wow. So they're standing behind that product really hard. Yeah.
We had mentioned the Odessa Fire Hall. It's not this brand, but this is basically exactly what they went with a glue-down look, and I believe you'll see some photos a little later in the show.
Yeah, I mean, that absolutely gorgeous, by the way. We've gone out to quite a few of your jobs and just looked at it. I mean, the expertise that goes into it, the detail work, and that's the important part of it. Your guys, when they go in, we were watching a guy cut and do things. It's the detail, and that really that's what stands out, and that's what's, once again, folks, you're talking about an investment on your home, and that's your biggest investment. If you buy a home, you've spent more money you're probably ever going to spend on anything else, and if you're going to put something in that home, invest right. I mean, that's what I try to emphasize to people. You know, a lot of stuff I can do myself. I do, do different things. I don't want to tempt for them, because I've tried it. It's amazing to me how easy it looks to do until you start doing it. And you've been doing it for 23 years. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. You're off one little measurement, and now you're in trouble. What are you going to do?
Some products you can start fresh again, and I believe we do an excellent job when it comes to the install. But we also do offer, if somebody wants to try it themselves, they want to take it on, we're more than welcome. Should come in, go through the same process, clarify, help them walk through the process, what they want to do. We have some videos on how to install. We'll pass them along to them.
So I can come in here, I can buy this product, give it a shot myself.
Absolutely.
Now, this product here, this is something that you can pull back up and put back down. So if I get halfway through the job and say, Charlie, I'm kind of lost with this.
Yeah, you're
out there. You guys,
give us a call.
Yeah. Now you get into the real woods. I mean, this is luxury vinyl tiles here. But I want to get back here to the hardwoods, because when you get into the hardwoods, and that's what I put in my house. Now that I got kids involved at the house, thinking, well, I wish I'd had the other stuff, because I've already seen the dings when things are dropped and so forth. But a lot of people like that natural wood, Charlie.
It's beautiful. It's just a timeless look to it. When you make a wood purchase, you had mentioned Berber carpet. Now, if you get 10, 15 years out of a piece of Berber, that seems like a long time nowadays. With hardwood, it's a lifetime purchase. I mean, especially with the solid floors that you have now, they're refinished. You're looking at 30, 40, 50 years and on from there. Just the life of it. It's a real purchase, and it's a value purchase.
Because one of the nice things about it is, I put this in, and I've got the kids right now, and they're starting to scratch and ding and stuff. After they're grown up a little bit, one of the things you guys do,
come back in and take care of that for you.
You come back in and you refinish it. I mean, that's what wood, where the other things that you're talking about, and when you do some damage there, well, you got to replace some stuff and everything else. This here, and we're looking at some jobs you did right now on the screen, where you guys in this old house that had some magnificent looking,
beautiful pine.
Oh, gorgeous wood floors. You can't buy that today. You know that, and I know that. And what a better thing to do than refinish it, and that's what you guys can do.
It's the life of the house, too. It shows the character, the time of the house. It's a period piece. That's what we refer to it. I believe we also have another one, the cherry wood. There's another one. We just finished that. I think that's going to be on there. Cherry is another one of those timeless looks to it. It just has such a detail and a style to it. And it just adds to the whole feel of the house.
Now, this is something that there again, because You're not going to find this at your box stores. I want people, you know,
No,
not the quality that you're going to get when you're talking about it, and it's an investment in your house. Folks, do yourself a favor and do it right, and that's the best way I can tell you is be sure that you, even if you're going to install it yourself, you want the best quality of wood that you can possibly get. That's something that you can come back and refinish.
Yep.
A lot of folks pull up carpet, and you got wood floors underneath them.
Pleasant surprise.
And they don't realize it, but now going back to that refinish look, I mean, if you might pull up those carpets and say, "Oh, wow!" And one of the things you guys do and do a fantastic job. Not that expensive of a deal, you know, for you, lot more reasonable than putting the wood down.
Absolutely.
You know, so come in there and refinish it and make it look brand new once again.
It does, and it does. It's one of the things. The age of the wood, it's still there. As long as it doesn't have a lot of problems from out the years, we can bring them back and really make them shine.
Yeah, the showroom once again right here in Middletown, Delaware. Different types of wood now. I found out because you know you say wood to me, I'm like, okay, it's wood. But there's softwood, hardwood, you know. And once again, educating yourself as to what you're going to be doing on that wood floor.
And that's what we want to do for you. We want to explain the difference between they have a filled face, they have a textured feel, they have an open face, they have bevels, they have micro bevels, satin finish, gloss finish. I mean, there's just so much out there. And I think the easiest thing, and I know you earlier you had taped our stage, you could come in and get a visual. So you could walk right in and narrow down a lot of choices just from a quick walk across the showroom.
Gorgeous
I don't like this shine, but I like this shine, and I like this texture. So that knocked out 30 questions right off the bat just from a quick look down.
Because looking at this plank board is one thing, but looking down on the floor and seeing that, I mean, I can come in here, I can pick 2 or 3, you know, that I really like, you know, that I can choose and say, okay, this is what I want, this is the color I want, this, you know. So it might not, but you might say to me, hey, you're putting it at in this particular room.
That's what we do.
Yeah.
We will speak up and let you know if we guide you in the right direction, and if we're not quite getting there, we'll show you another option or get you where you need to be.
And that's the important part, is the education behind it. And there's so much there. We haven't even gone into carpet, because when it comes to Charles Tire flooring, it's not just flooring. You know, we talk about carpet and wood floors, tile floors, but you guys do black backsplashes, you guys do ceiling tiles. I mean, some of the other things, services.
Absolutely. We're actually breaking in. We're doing ceiling. You mentioned the ceiling tiles. We're getting into blinds. We're also going to start with epoxy floors. All the things over the years we've actually done a little bit of, but we're actually breaking into more of a full-time and rolling out a new department just to handle that.
Yeah, and the nice thing about it is the education that you require from the people that do your work. I mean, and that's the key. So if you want to try it yourself, come in here and check out the product, get educated, so you're putting the right product down. And I guess I saw a bunch of wood outside, so guess you're getting ready to drop a big warehouse right behind your shop here.
Yes, sir. We're adding 2,400 square feet out back. We've always wanted to have an on-site warehouse. We're going to start carrying some REM products, some special products. We're going to stock some things and just be able to have a little bit more hands-on with everything right here in the area.
Yeah, so if you need something, you know, if I come in here and I pick something out, Charlie, and I'd want to do it myself, you'll have the product for me.
We will, and we'll walk you through it. On the Mirage display back here, we have a television here, and we also have some educational videos, which are free to watch. We'll throw one in for you and kind of guide you through it. And if we are doing the install for you, we also have a video that you're free to watch to know what to expect, what we're going to do for you. So you come in, if we're coming in to sand hardwood floor, our system is called dust free. It's not dust free, but we like you to watch the video so you know what's going to happen, how we come in, what we like to do, what we expect from you, what you can expect from us, and what you can expect as a finished product.
Professional work, that's the main with professional products. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Educate yourself. Charles Tire Flooring right here in Middletown, Delaware. Phone number's on the bottom of the screen. Any questions whatsoever, you can set up with I guess you can go out on location to people's homes and look at it. You do that quite a bit.
That's what we do every day.
Yeah, so if you have any questions or whatever, you want some help on what you're going to do in your home, what's going to raise the value of your home. Bathrooms, kitchen, can't go wrong with that. You know that as well as I do. So it's all here for you. Charles Tire Flooring. You can stop in the showroom, call for an appointment. You got a design team that'll sit down with you and work it and put you the right product in your home. We got so much more. We can't cover it all in one show. There's so much more that we're going to talk about. And we're going to try to keep you up to date on different products as they're coming in. But real quick, is there a website they can go to, Charlie?
CharlesTireandFlooring.com.
Yeah, and so go to there. A lot of information there, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And any questions whatsoever, your design team, you're open what hours?
Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, 9 to 4. Wednesday and Thursday, 9 to 7, and Saturday, 9 to 4.
So it's at your convenience. Pick up the phone and call the design team here at Charles Tire Flooring. They'll set it all up for you, or you just walk in. You don't have to make a phone call. What a gorgeous showroom you've got here. I mean, I look around, I see so much more. Heated tiles. We're going to talk about that on a future. I like that in my bathroom. Get out in the morning.
It's very nice, very nice.
Yeah, we've got a lot of things we want to talk about.
Yes, and we also wanted to take a moment to show you the steps. It's a new step refacing system, been out about 8-9 years now. This one is particularly Brazilian cherry. This is a maple. All three of these are oaks in 3 different finishes. We come in, we take your old carpet off. We cut the old bullnosing off. This needs to be backfilled in. The stringer gets repainted, and this is plowed out. So we cut the back, we cut it to fit, slide it, install a new riser, and there, your steps are done. So you turn the old pine steps with ugly old carpet into beautiful oak steps with matching risers.
And for Charlie Tire and the entire gang here at Charles Tire Flooring, stay tuned for more.